Hello everyone. Today we will be solving some application problems. So 2.6, applying the trigonometry ratio. So today's objective, use a primary trigonometry ratio to solve a problem modeled by a right triangle. So triangle has how many angles? A triangle has 3 angles and 3 sides. Solving a triangle means you must find all 3 angles and all 3 sides of the triangle. So you may use sine, cosine, tangent, and Pythagorean theorem to solve a triangle. Okay, so at least 3 components of a triangle are given. You can find the other 3 components, right? So for example, we know this is 2.4 and this is 27 degree and this is 90 degree. So 3 components are given and we will be able to find this is the missing side and this is the missing side and this is the missing angle. We will be able to find the x and y and theta. Okay, everyone, let's find x first. Let's find x first. Okay. All right, to find x, look at the angle, and we always need to name each side. Okay, so here, so we're going to think relative to this angle. So 27. JL is opposite to 27, so this is opposite side, and this is hypotenuse, and X is adjacent. So we want to know adjacent, and hypotenuse is given, and the angle is given. So AH. So write down SOHCAHTOA here. SOHCAHTOA. And when we use A and H, that is cosine. So we're going to write cosine 27 equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Now you know how to find that, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is, since x is in the top, we're going to multiply 2.4 on both sides to find x. So multiply 2.4, multiply 2.4. This will be cancelled. X will be isolated. So simply just multiply cosine 27 times 2.4. Okay, let's do cosine. Turn on the calculator and let's do cosine 27. Close the bracket. Multiply by 2.4. Then we get 2.138. X equals 2.138. Rounded is 2.14 meters. So roughly 2.14 meters. Okay, we found x. So now we found x, we're going to find y. Okay, so y is opposite side to this angle, right? And this is hypotenuse. So we're using OH, which is so. Okay, let's use sine 27 equals y over 2.4, and same thing, we multiply sine 27 times 2.4, and that is y. And let's put this into your calculator. Sine 27 times by 2.4, 1.09. If you keep 2 decimal, it's 1.10. So y equals 1.10 meter. Okay, we found x and we found y, x and y. Finally, we're going to find theta. Okay, number 3, find theta. Everyone, I have a question. When you add up all the interior angle of a triangle, what do you guys get? What is sum of the interior angle of a triangle? That is 180 degree, right? So this is 27 and this is 90, and adding this, you should get 180 degree. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 27 plus 90 degree. Subtract 27 plus 90 degree. Then that will be 63. So the answer is 63. So we found x and y and theta. So find 63 and find x, that is 2.4, and find y, that is 1.10. So x, y, theta. We found them all. So this is how to solve a triangle. So when I ask you to solve a triangle, you should find all missing 3 components, right? Next question. Again, 3 components are given, 90 degrees, 63, and 7.8. And we have to find all the other 3 components. Here, so this is, let this be x, and let this be y, and let this be theta. Theta is pretty easy. Finding theta is pretty easy because 90 plus 63 plus theta should be 180 degrees. So we subtract. So theta 180 minus 63 plus 90. That should be 27 degrees. So theta is 27. And find x. To find x, again, we have to label everything. 63 opposites based on 63 relative to 63. This is opposite, and this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. Okay, then x. To find the x, we use hypotenuse, and opposite is given, 7.8 is given. OH, we use so, right? Sine 63 equals opposite over hypotenuse. Since x is in the bottom, we switch those 2 numbers, right? Then x equals 7.8 over sine 63. And we put this into your calculator. So 7.8 divided by sine 63. And that is 8.75. So x will be 8.75. Centimeter. And next, we're going to find y. So y is, you have to use adjacent and the opposite. Adjacent and the opposite. So that is OA, TOA, tangent. Tangent 63 is opposite 7.8 over adjacent, which is y. So let's switch it. Y equals 7.8 over tangent 63. And let's put this into your calculator. 7.8 divided by tangent 63. 3.97. So the answer is 3.97. Alright, so we found all the other 3 components. And C. Try C by yourself. Okay, so did you pause the video and try C by yourself? And let's do it together. Here we have 6 centimeter and 10 centimeter and 90 degree. And everyone, we can easily find, let this be X and let this be alpha and beta. And we can easily find X using Pythagorean theorem, right? Then X squared, find X. X squared equals 6 squared plus 10 squared. Then X squared is 36 plus 100. Then X squared is 136 and X is square root of 136. Okay, so X is square root of 136. After that, we're going to find alpha. So here, to find alpha, you can just use any side. So let's use 6 and 10. So based on alpha, related to alpha, 10 centimeter is opposite and 6 is adjacent. So OA, adjacent and opposite. You have to use tangent alpha, opposite over adjacent. And everyone, we want to know the angle measure. To find angle, when you need to find angle, you use inverse tangent. So inverse tangent 10 over 6, then it will give you the angle measure. I'm gonna put this into your calculator later. To find alpha and to find beta, we do the same thing. So beta, related to beta, this is the opposite. And this is the adjacent, right? Opposite over adjacent, opposite, tangent, beta is opposite over adjacent, 6 over 10. Then we want to find the angle measure beta. Inverse 6 over 10 is beta. Okay, so let's find alpha using your calculator. Get out your calculator. Inverse, second and inverse tangent 10 divided by 6. This is alpha, that's 59 degree, 59.03, and inverse tangent of 6 divided by 10, that is 30.96. So 59.04, 30.96. Okay, so this is how you find each side and each angle. So today we learned how to solve a triangle. Okay, so that's it for this section. Let's move to the next section. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.